Hi friend, how are you? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing amazing and I'm in the mood to start another project. In the last episode, we got Puffy a new home. Behind me, I have his previous ecosystem. It's a swamp style aquarium, no plants on the bottom. All I had is some floating plants and a lot of indoor plants. I have to get all the shrimps out and I still have some guppies left. Look like Puffy wasn't able to hunt these guys. These guys were smart enough to hide. Alright friends, let's get to work. Alright friends, so everyone it's saved. We got everyone out. I had to wait for a while for the water to clear to make sure I'm not missing anyone. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drain the rest of this water. As the aquarium is clean, we can pursue to the next level. The next step is to build our foundation, and as usually guys, for my foundation, my preference is to use dirt. So I have here a lot of dirt, and then I'm gonna cover it with sand, because the sand, it's gonna keep the dirt, all covered, so it's not gonna dissolve in the water. Scaping doesn't have to be hard, friends. It's not complicated. It's just a bunch of wood and rocks I found out in the nature. Well, some of them, not all of them. As you can see, these green egg-looking crystals. I don't know where I got them. I just had them laying around, so I decided maybe I can use them in a nice scape. In this aquarium, we're not gonna have CO2, and I'm not gonna use any fertilizer. The soil underneath the sand, it's my only source of food for the plants, and you will see guys in the future that's more than enough. The plants will love it. that's how you take care of business in a 20-gallon aquarium. You guys don't need a lot of supplies, so you don't need expensive systems. For filtration, I'm gonna have a sponge filter. It's a really tiny sponge filter, but it's gonna be more than enough because the planted surface is really big. The only reason I'm having this sponge filter is because I want to breed kind of special color of shrimps. You guys see. I never tried, so it's gonna be kind of a little experiment. Friends, we will have to leave this guy to marinate for, in my experience, because I'm not fully professional, I'm still an amateur. I do aquariums for what, 4 years. So for me it's gonna take 3 weeks. 2-3 weeks to cycle this aquarium, to be able to have shrimps and not to kill them. If you made it so far, it means you are one of those real supporters. And please don't forget to push that like button. Help me out to grow this channel, to get a new camera, to catch the real colors of these aquariums, because my camera is really old, friends. Tigrusha, of course. Mr. Tigrusha, what's going on? I'm always losing my focus. So friends, help me out, I need your help, friend, so I would be able to capture 4K videos, because there is a lot of action in these aquariums which I cannot catch with my camera. And also, I wanna especially not to forget, friends, that I really appreciate you supporting me, and you guys are the best. I love you guys a lot.